Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm bringing to you today an unboxing of the Elite 75T by Jabra. Without further ado, let's get this process starting. This is just an unboxing, by the way. If you want to see the review, I'll be doing that in a couple of weeks when I've had the time to play around with these headphones. Now, straight off, looking at the box, very nice. So far, I'm really impressed with Jabra's unboxing experience. Even in their box, they're very minimalistic. I hate like too much information, you know. Look at that, this is all you need. You just need these information: 2 years warranty, proven wireless, or doesn't need to be like a lot more than that. That's basically it. Now they have this sort of similar unboxing experience with all of their headphone products, where they've got the grey look here, they've got the yellow look inside, then they've got these little tabs here that you can pull, which is really convenient. Instead of you sitting around there and trying to pick on it, they're just already conveniently like that for you, and you just pull on that and they come off there. All right, all you have to do now is basically slide it out, which shouldn't be too hard if I don't get it stuck. Oh, there you go, very easy. Okay, inside all of them, there's nothing there. That's basically it. The box itself goes all yellow, all of them are like this, and then you've got the grey again on this side. So that's the box inside. Now what you guys have to do is just pull this tab out. Dang, how good is this, guys? This looks beautiful. Alright, first of all, you get a bit of a piece of paper here just telling you what to do and how it works. Other than that, you've got the box that it charges in. Alright, it's very nice to see. Okay. You've got the headphones and you've got some spare parts here. Okay, so basically you get the USB-C, very impressive, USB-C charging, and you've got the different sort of sizes for you here, small, large, and I guess they come with a medium, and inside you've got the warranty. Other than that, you don't get anything else. That's basically it. Let's get these out of their box. Let's get the charging box out first of all. Now the charging box is kind of light, which is really nice to see. Okay, at the back, that's very different as well. Right, and when you open it up, you've got some stuff here that you can just remove, stick it on here for a second. Okay, now how do you get these out? I think the design team just let everyone down here a little bit. Maybe you need to pull them out, push them out. Oh, they just fall out. We can do that. Alright, so these are the headphones. They're apparently really good at answering phone calls. The rubber tips are really nice as well. Although they don't feel as luxurious as the Samsung Buds Pro or the AirPods Pro. They look nice though. Okay, let's put these in the box to charge. So you've got nothing written here to indicate which one goes where, but you should be able to line them really easily. There you go. You can't put anything wrong with these things. So they're in. That's basically charging. Okay, that's it, guys. Pretty straightforward unboxing. Alright guys, let me know what you thought about this video, and also give this channel a subscribe. It really helps out, and give this video a like, that way other people can find it. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. That helps out, and I've got Patreon as well. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the unboxing of this. Do you have a Jabra? What's your experience like? And what would you like me to pair this up against? Maybe the Buds Pro, or maybe an AirPods Pro, or something like that. Let me know. Take good care. Bye bye.